Data scientist salaries in different countries based on data available up to September 2021. Please note that these figures may have changed since then, and it's always a good idea to refer to more recent sources for accurate information. Here's a rough overview. United States. Data scientists in the United States tend to earn some of the highest salaries, with variations depending on the city. In major tech hubs like San Francisco, New York City, or Seattle, salaries can range from $100,000 to well over $150,000, or even higher for senior roles. Canada. In cities like Toronto, Vancouver, and Montreal, data scientist salaries are generally competitive, with mid-level salaries ranging from $80,000 Canadian dollars to $120,000 Canadian dollars annually. United Kingdom. Data scientists in the UK, especially in London, can earn substantial salaries. Average salaries range from £40,000 to £70,000, depending on experience and location. Germany. In cities like Berlin, Frankfurt, or Munich, data scientist salaries can range from €50,000 to €90,000. Australia. In major cities like Sydney and Melbourne, data scientist salaries typically range from $80,000 Australian dollars to $130,000 Australian dollars. India. Salaries for data scientists in India can vary significantly based on experience and location. In cities like Bangalore or Mumbai, mid-level data scientists might earn 10 lakh Bharatiya Rupee to 20 lakh Indian rupees. China. In cities like Beijing and Shanghai, data scientist salaries can range from 200,000 Chinese yuan to 500,000 Chinese yuan annually, depending on experience. Singapore. Data scientists in Singapore often earn competitive salaries, with mid-level professionals earning 60,000 Singapore dollars to 120,000 Singapore dollars. Remember, these figures are approximate and can vary based on various factors, including the company, industry, and demand for data science skills in a particular region. For the most up-to-date and specific salary information, it's best to consult job boards, industry reports, or professional networks.